Jeez, look at that barracuda in front of me. Oh, he is fast. Oh, look at that! Oh, dude, this barracuda is crazy. Oh, he came off. Oh, fish on! Look at that. Did I foul hook him? He's probably smacked it. He's probably shook off. Yes, he hit it, so I'll take it anyway. Small cuda. Don't want to get spiked, so I'm gonna grab him right there. All right. Oh, fail. All right. Peace out, barracuda. Here we go. Here we go. Another barracuda. Okay. Let's get a quick photo. Calm down, bro. That is not a smart idea. Look at the teeth right here. Look at that teeth right. Oh man, his jaw is pretty strong. All right, I can't open it up without these guys. Ay, there he goes. Huh, a lot of little crabs. Oh. Ah. There we go. Got him. Another barracuda. Alright. To reduce the amount of slime that gets on my body, because I'm going to take the bus later, I'm going to do everyone a favor. Use my pliers. Shake this guy off. Peace out. Got down the barracuda. Ooh, almost. Dude, look at these baitfish right here. Coming through, baitfish coming through. That is a long scope baitfish. They're still going. Ha. Ooh, look at that. Canal fishing right here. Boom, barracuda. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, looks like I can't do anything. without touching this guy. Oh, he got off. Good stuff. And the barracuda right in front of me. That jack. Barracuda, that gotta be some sort of fish. It has a forked tail. Pretty cool. But there's two barracuda right in front of me. Too bad I missed it. He's a stupid shirt. Oh, he's barracuda. Sorry, bird. I can't feed you. Alright. I'm telling you, man, this bird is stalking me. Whoa! Here we go. Another barracuda. Thicker one. Man, look at his mouth. Not good. Alright. See if I could just oh, there he goes. They'll wiggle off themselves. Alright, this guy I hooked by accident. It's a tilapia in a bag. Got tilapia in a bag. Ah, yeah. Sorry, bud, for dropping in your face. Didn't want you, but actually, let's get a close view. There we go. I get this on. I got a nice shirt. Oh no! Can I get it? Can I get it? Yes, I just saved my Rapala. Whew. All right. Whoa. Whoa, you guys see that? Dude, he's so fast. Oh, it's my biggest barracuda of the day. Woo. Let me just get him up. Oh, dude, well worth it. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let me take my book bag off. Dude, he jumped so many times. It's freaking awesome. Oh. Still got a lot of energy in them. Okay. Woo. Dude, this guy is epic. Look at that. He's all power, man. All power. Alright, gotta do a quick selfie because this guy was a beast. Thank you for the good fight. Alright. Dude, you're awesome. Peace out, man. Whew. That was great. That was freaking great. So excited. Okay. Got fish? Another barracuda, guys. Oh, there he goes. What? Yo, he just cut me off. Barracuda cut me off. Oh, bastard. He just cut me off. Okay, where's my lure? Right there. Very quick. That's how I lure very quick. Oh man. Very quick. Oh. No! No! I just lost the lure. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, guys. I saved my lure. Jesus Christ.